Hi kids! Are you ready to have some fun with animal sounds? Let's start! Here's a cat! Can you say it? Meow! Next we have a dog! Try it with me! Woof woof! Look, it's a cow! Can you moo like a cow? Moo! Now here's a sheep! Can you say baa? Baa! Oh, it's a sparrow! Let's chirp together. Chirp, chirp. Here comes a donkey. Can you say hee-haw? Hee-haw. And finally, it's a rooster. Can you crow like a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Great job, everyone. You did amazing. See you next time for more fun. Bye-bye.